These are my trades in this week so far. This is pound Aussie from 20-minute chart. Buy an order here. SL move to break even, and it is for 95 pip on the 14th September. You can see the buy order here, right? And the next one was on the 14th also, pound franc from 20-minute chart. There's the buy order. This is the entry. This was the entry also, but it went up, and then I moved my SL to break even, and then that was hit. And again, next entry all the way there for 70 pip. On the 15th, which is today, Aussie yen. Yen was getting strong. This is an entry here, sell order, and for 100 plus pip all the way here on the 15th September. And the other one is euro yen. When yen move, all yen pair move in the same direction. So I found these two entries interesting. I took it. Other yen pair also gave the entry, but you can only do so much, right? So sell order here, 15th September, and it is for 90 pip. Now, for tonight and tomorrow in the London session, probably what I'm looking at, yen. Yen probably going to get strong if the news give us a favor and come out in our favor. So this is the chart I made, yen index chart, weekly chart on 22nd August. And this is the LG12 count, so like 1, 2, 3, 4. And I said from here, we're going to go up for wave 5. So currently, what we are doing here, this chart is started to go up. Then it came back as a retracement. And you can see here that it touches the TL and then pull back again and now bouncing at 38%. On a 20-minute chart, you can see that this is the rise and then the retracement exactly at 61%. And now a reversal candle is coming up. So if this ends up bullish and so this is going to go up here somewhere, right? Yen is going to get weaker and all yen pair will be going up. I mean, all yen pairs, Aussie yen, pound yen, euro yen. And I will be taking those entries tonight and tomorrow. And if I do, I will show you my trade, and they will be all according to the entry and the setup, just like this one. See, the long setup has to be this one. I had this trade for long. I had this one for long. This is the short one, and then it's going to flip again to the upside, and it's going to give me something like that, This indicator here, see, this was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry, right? So I'm going to get something like that here. Euro yen, Aussie yen, and pound yen. These three pairs I'm going to be watching and trading. So let's see if I can take the trade and show you. I'm telling you at a time, that's what my plan is, and this is what I'm going to do. So let's see. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. If you're interested in getting the system or getting into this kind of trading and learn how to trade like that, just go on my website here. Yeah, this is the website. Use this button, subscribe, and you can and here you can see hundreds of trades, previous trades, current trades, last week trades, and week by week. All the trades are here, and they are all according to the same setup. 4 rules for the setup, and once I have that, then I pull the trigger. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.